Hi friends, welcome back to SMNVS Innovations YouTube channel. In this video, let us see about this Havells 9 watts inverter LED bulb. So friends, this is the inverter bulb. The term inverter means this bulb can operate even in the absence of mains. So this is 9 watts cool daylight color inverter LED bulb of color temperature 6500 Kelvin. So it has a light output of 100 lumens per watt. So for 9 watts it gives total 900 lumens. So this is the packaging provided by the company. So it offers a power backup up to 4 hours as stated in the document here. So let us see inside. So it comes with an instruction manual. So let us see what's inside this manual. So this manual has been written in English and Hindi. So this is the English manual and this is the Hindi manual. So let us come to the product specifications of LED 9 watt inverter bulb. So basically this bulb is B22 model. The holder type is B22 model. As we discussed earlier, the color temperature is 6500 Kelvin. It means cool daylight color. And the rated CRI is greater than 80. Friends, CRI is the color rendering index. It means as the CRI value increases of an LED bulb, the reproduction of colors of the objects will be more. It means, suppose let us consider this box. Here the color is red. If the CRI value is closer to 100, this color will be visible exactly red color. If the CRI value is very less, this red will not be you can't see this red color clearly. So it means the exact reproduction of colors of an object increases as the CRI value increases. So next, it has a charging time of 8 to 10 hours and the backup time we get after mains failure is up to 4 hours we can get backup time. And the battery technology they have used is lithium ion battery of capacity 2200 mAh. And this product is BIS approved product and the lifespan of battery is 500 cycles. It means up to 500 cycles the efficiency of the battery will be good. After 500 cycles the charging and discharging cycles efficiency will be decreased and the operating temperature range will be from 0 to 35 degrees Celsius. And these are the features provided to this bulb. Overcharging protection, it means the inverter bulb has overcharging protection even though the mains will be continuously on. When the charging of the battery is full, the charging will be cut off by the inverter bulb. It has a deep discharge protection. When the mains failures occurs up to 4 to 5 hours we can get the backup. After that it automatically stops the bulb to function. It means it has deep discharge protection of the battery and also battery short circuit protection. The lithium ion battery should be very careful, so it should not be short circuited, so it has a short circuit protection. And it also has a surge protection of up to 3 kilovolts. And these are the specifications of operations given here. When the inverter bulb is switched on, it gives 100% light output. It means when the mains power is available, the bulb will give complete 900 lumens of output for the input 9 watts of power. When the main supply is cut off, it means when the power failure occurs, this bulb will be on with a light output of only 40 to 50% to save the battery time of backup. And in case inverter bulb is not automatically on, when the main supply is cut off, switch off and on once again and then inverter bulb will start working. It means in case the inverter bulb will not automatically on after power failure occurs, it doesn't happen generally. In case it occurs, the company is saying to switch off and on the switch to make the bulb function, and also the battery will automatically get charged if the switch will be in on mode when the main supply is available, and we no need to switch on and off a separate switch to charge the battery. It automatically charges the battery when the bulb glows. So these are the operation procedures and specifications provided by the company regarding this bulb. And now let us see how this bulb functions, and I will explain how this works. So now I am unboxing the light. So this is a Havells 9 watts inverter LED bulb. This Havells 9 watt inverter bulb has been provided with a 1-year warranty for any defects. So friends, you can see these are the specifications. So it is rated at 9 watts 900 lumens, and it is cool daylight color 6500 Kelvin. It operates at 240 volts AC power supply, and the current is 45 milliamperes, and the watts output is lumen output is 100 lumens per watt, and the frequency it operates is 50 Hz, and the power factor is greater than 0.9. It means it is nearer to 1, so it is good. So friends, this is a preview of the light. So it is very good looking and is also slim in size. It has an inbuilt battery of lithium ion battery. It is completely sealed by the company. So this is B22 model fixer. So now in general mains mode, we will connect to a bulb holder and connect the plug to the power supply of 230 volts or 240 volts, and you can see now the bulb starts functioning with 100% light output. Friends, you can see the bulb is glowing at full lighting output. It means 900 lumens for the 9 watts, and this bulb will be available in different wattage ratings of 7 watts, 9 watts and up to 12 watts, and based on user requirements the company may develop in future different wattage requirements. So friends, you can see now the bulb is functioning at 100% of light output. So now if the main supply is off now, so you can see the bulb is off, and now we have to touch and hold the pins of this plug to make it on in the power failure situation, because now in order to show you in this video, I am holding this 2 terminals of this plug to on this bulb. So in the situation of directly connecting it to a holder, the bulb forms a circuit with the switch, and it automatically creates a resistance between the terminals, and bulb switch ons automatically after power failure occurs. I will show you by removing it from the holder. Friends, you can see these two are the terminals that supply the voltage into this bulb. Now I am touching these 2 terminals with my hand. Friends, you can see the bulb is glowing now at 50% of light output, 450 lumens approximately. It means the inverter bulb is designed in such a way that if there is any circuit between these 2 terminals, circuit means there is some sort of resistance, some small resistance is there between these 2 terminals, the inverter bulb continuously works after the mains failure. If there is no resistance between these 2 terminals, the inverter bulb stops functioning. So we have to short these terminals with some resistance value in order to make this bulb function. So in the situation of our household purposes, whenever the switch is on, automatically some resistance will be there between these 2 terminals. So the bulb continues to function after the mains failure occurs for up to 4 to 5 hours as stated in the document. So friends, you can see whenever I touch this, it's functioning. So even if I short these 2 terminals also, it works. So you can see it is working now. So friends, this is the functioning of inverter LED bulb, and this is very useful in all the households, because these inverters cannot be afforded by all the people, but this inverter bulb came into limelight and helping all the people who can't afford to buy inverters and batteries, and it can offer light in the absence of mains failure. So this is very good technology and very useful to all the people. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you.